Hello friends. When you get a message for replacing the maintenance cartridge on Canon G3420 model, you have to replace the maintenance cartridge. I got a new maintenance cartridge and now I will show you how to replace it. Rotate the printer. We have to remove this cover by unscrewing this screw. It's very easy. Remove the back cover, then take the handle of the maintenance cartridge and slide it out. This is our old maintenance cartridge. Take out the new one. And slide it back into the device. Put the back cover back and screw this screw, and that's it. Thank you very much and good luck.